How to add McDonald's gift card to the app. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded McDonald's app on your device. If not, you can launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app McDonald's and install it. Once completion of installation process, launch the app. Make sure you are logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now you have to head over to the payment section. You will see a bunch of options there. You have to go ahead and click on the option of new debit or credit card. Just tap on it. And then you have to type in your gift card number. Just go ahead and type in that and then click on save. Once you type in your gift card details like the card number and PIN, you will be good to go. Make sure everything looks good, then verify the information you have entered. Once verified, save the gift card to the account. Lastly, it's a good idea to check the balance within the app to ensure it's up to date. And that's it. You have successfully added your McDonald's gift card to your app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.